Okay, reading for the hammer for September 20, what is this, 27th, 28th? 28th, okay. Now, I usually cannot make these videos the same day, but I can do it today, but not every time. But today is okay. All right, let's get to it. Okay, the internet likes fluff. Fluff is something that's karui. It's kind of empty. It has no substance. Substance is something useful. Or something has meaning. Something that has nothing serious in it and you can learn nothing from, that's called fluff. And you said, I can see what you mean. I guess I can see what you mean. I guess I see what you mean. I guess I can see what you mean. All those are okay. It has substance. Nothing succeeds like substance. What is this? Ichi koto se, I don't know, nareba manji naru, I don't know. It's a proverb. Does she sometimes come to Japan? Has she been to Japan? You mix these. You said, has she sometimes come to Japan? No. Has she been to Japan? Does she sometimes come to Japan? Different questions. I check his Twitter every day. His son was captured. No, arrested is better. His son was caught. No, his son was arrested. If there's a big earthquake, if I meet an if there is a big, okay, I'm sorry. If I meet an earthquake is wrong. Yeah. If there is a big earthquake, blah, 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 comma. So if there is a big earthquake, comma, I'm prepared, for example. I'm prepared. Okay. Bathhouses prohibit people with tattoos from entering. But in other countries, some people have traditional tattoos. I saw a tattoo on a New Zealand woman's face. It's very strange. Or it was very strange. Regardless of the reason. I guess. Regardless of the reason, people with tattoos should not be allowed into bathhouses. Regardless of the reason, people with tattoos should not be allowed into bathhouses. No matter what the reason is, almost all Japanese hate tattoos. I associate tattoos with Yakuza. I sometimes see young foreign women with small tattoos on their shoulders. Pretty women don't have to get tattoos. Why did she get those tattoos? I guess the tattoos have some meaning for her. We have to welcome foreigners warmly. I want many foreigners to experience authentic Japanese culture, for example, bathhouses. So, do we let some people with tattoos enter bathhouses? It's a difficult question. Bimyo. That's a sensitive subject. That's a touchy subject. That's a tricky question. That's a difficult question. That's a tough one. That's a hard one. To bar, to ban, to prohibit, to forbid. She was denied entry. She was refused entry. They refused to let her in. She is an indigenous person. That means she's a native, like Maori or Ainu or American Indian or Quechuan Peruvian or Aborigines from Australia. These are all Aboriginals. They are all indigenous people. Indigenous, that's the word. Aboriginal is also okay, but that's usually, when people hear the word Aboriginal, they usually think only of Australia. Something that's facial is on your face. Antisocial or antisocial are people who are not interested in talking to anyone. People say that Yakuza are antisocial or antisocial, but I don't think so because they have their own society. They're very friendly in their own world, in their own circle. It's possible, it's impossible. It's economically unfeasible. It's feasible, it's possible. That's your lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Right? Yes, next week.